Which of the following statements are correct? Inside a conductor, the electrostatic field is zero. Electric field at the surface of charged conductor does not depend on its surface charge density. The interior of charged conductor can have no excess charge in the static situation. At the surface of the charged conductor, the electrostatic field must be normal to the surface of every point. The electrostatic potential is zero everywhere inside a charged conductor. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A, C, D only, A, C and E only, C, D and E only, A, B and D only. अब स्टेटमेंट्स देखें. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, inside a conductor the electrostatic field is zero. This is correct. B, electric field at the surface of a charged conductor does not depend on its surface charge density. This is incorrect. C, the interior of the charged conductor can have no excess charge in the static situation. This is correct. At the surface of the charged conductor, the electrostatic field must be normal to the surface of every point. It is correct. The electrostatic potential is zero everywhere inside a charged conductor. This is not correct. The correct options are A, C and D. Hence, A is correct option. Next, a point charge Q is placed inside a cavity within a solid insulated conducting sphere. Considers point E, B and C as shown in the figure, where the magnitude of electric field are EA, EB and EC respectively. The point B and C are at the same distance from the center of the solid sphere. The correct option is EA is not equal to 0, EB is less than EC, EA is 0, EB is equal to EC, EA is not equal to 0, EB is equal to EC, EA is 0, EB is greater than EC. Q पॉजिटिव है तो यहाँ पर नेगेटिव चार्ज एक्यूमुलेट हो जाएगा, and outside positive charge, and this positive charge goes to the outer boundary and spread equally. ये नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव चार्ज यहाँ से आउटसाइड बाउंड्री पे चला जाएगा, दिस इज पॉजिटिव, तो यहाँ पर ये टोटल चार्ज नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा माइनस Q, and this spreaded outward outside charge will be, total charge will be plus Q. A पर अगर हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड देखें तो हटा देते हैं, ए से होते हुए गॉसियन सरफेस ड्रॉ किया, तो इनक्लोज्ड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो चार्ज है दैट इज प्लस क्यू। तो ई ए अगर इसकी डिस्टेंस यहाँ से सेंटर से हम r1 माने तो ये होगा 4 पाई ई ए इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन डॉट क्यू अपॉन r1 स्क्वायर। Hence EA is not equal to 0. नेक्स्ट, यहाँ पर जो हमने हटा दिया था इसकी इनर बाउंड्री पर दिस इज माइनस क्यू। अगर एक गॉसियन सरफेस हम ड्रॉ करें that goes from B to C, तो charge enclosed is this plus Q and ये आउटवर्ड बाउंड्री पर इसको हम एज्यूम करते हैं। अगर आउटसाइड हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो it is assumed that it is situated at the center of the sphere. So distance of B and C is equally from point O, or OB is equal to OC. Hence electric field due to this Q, अगर ये डिस्टेंस is capital R, will be EB is equal to EC and इसकी वैल्यू होगी 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन डॉट Q by R square. EB is equal to EC and EA is not equal to 0. This C is correct option.